Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic. How to order from Amazon without creating an account, especially with the updates in 2025. Whether you're in a rush, value your privacy, or just don't want another login to remember, this method is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First things first, fire up your browser and head to the Amazon website, or open the Amazon app on your phone. You don't need to log in, just start exploring like a pro. In 2025, Amazon has made guest checkout even smoother, so it's easier than ever. Step 1. Use the search bar at the top to find the product you're after. Type in your keywords, hit enter, and browse the results. Pick the one you want, and click Add to Cart. Yep, you can do this without an account, no strings attached. Next, click on the cart icon in the top right corner. You'll see your items listed. Now, hit Proceed to checkout. Amazon will prompt you to sign in or continue as a guest. Choose Guest Checkout or something similar. It's usually a clear option on the page. Once you're in guest mode, you'll need to enter your shipping address. Double check it for accuracy, then select your payment method. Amazon accepts various options like credit cards, debit cards, or even digital wallets, all without requiring an account. Review your order one last time to ensure everything's correct, including shipping speed and total cost. Then, click Place your order or Confirm purchase. That's it, you're all set. One quick tip. While this method is convenient, you won't have access to features like order tracking through an account or personalized recommendations. But for a one-off purchase, it's perfect and keeps things simple. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to shop on Amazon hassle-free in 2025. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.